Template 14 shows some other things that you can do. It's to save and preview so we can see the content. Now notice one of the things is that it has a background, and the images themselves have a slightly different background. Well, this little icon is the background color selector. So you can click it and change the background. Now, if you wanted to match your images to use the same background color, you would copy this hex number right here and use it for the image. In this case, you want some contrast. So I'll copy that just to show you. So if I click this watch and I go down to the bottom, this is where I could change the background. If I were to paste it, make sure I have the hex number in there. Need the pound sign. And maybe I'll save it just to show you. Notice how it now merges into the background. Well, let's set it back to the contrast. And I'm going to set the background back to the lighter gray. There. There's some other interesting things about this one as well. Notice you've got the links. Now this is a text content. See, text, text, spacing, spacing, for product images. There's spacing, product images. So in the text, which can be edited here or on the content page, notice the link. Well, the link is set by putting the text and then clicking the link tool. Now, if I were on the link itself, anywhere on it, I would be able to see exactly what the link does. Okay, currently it's going to Facebook. I can define the target. I can have advanced settings. So that's a simple text block. Uses bold here, and then it has a link. Here's the background color again. I could do animation effects from here. I can also simply delete it. I can enable Facebook comments. I'm just going to click off to make that formatting box disappear. Close this view, open the next text box, and again, we've got, in this case, a whole bunch of links that display near the top. Each one of them goes to a different place, but as you can see, by utilizing the text tool, you can basically build a great store, multiple pages, beautiful layout. And since these pages can be implemented not only on Facebook, but also on regular websites, even in WordPress sites, then this becomes even more powerful. Now notice some other things. You've got a spacer, your text box, another text box. You've got a little tiny spacer. There's a wide spacer with no lines in it. And again, you've got a spacer, another one that has two horizontal lines, and then a spacer with no lines. 4 evenly sized image blocks. You've got your footer, which is a text area. Again, utilizing spacers and text, you can get some incredible results.